didn't have all the answers, but you showed up every day. With strength in your silence and love you didn't have to say. You carried our dreams while you carried your pain. You prayed through the storm and danced in the rain. Yeah. You weren't perfect, but you were present, and that made you more than enough. A father's faith, steady and strong. You held us close when the nights fell long. With every lesson, every prayer, you showed us love was always there. You didn't just lead, you believed, and your faith carried me. From scraped knees to broken hearts, you were always near. You spoke truth with grace and held us without fear. You showed what it means to be brave and kind, and your footsteps taught us how to find, oh, not just the way, but how to stay when life tries to pull us away. A father's faith, steady and strong. You held us close when the nights fell long. With every lesson, every prayer, you showed us love was always there. You didn't just lead, you believed, and your faith carried me. Now I stand stronger than before, because of the love that opened every door. A father's faith, quiet but true. Your strength became the light I knew. With every step you've always been there, still holding my heart in every prayer.